Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a look, and if you guys have seen my previous video on how I dyed this color and how I got my roots, you guys would have known that this was actually a center part before, and I'm just kind of bored of it. And then I just thought to myself, let me try a different look, let me go for the full fringe and just something fun, something simple, but I don't want to get new hair extension. I just want to use what I have. So this is a frontal. It was a center part before, but then I just wanted to take just a little bit in front and just to jazz it up a little bit. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I achieved this look, make sure you keep on watching, and I'd advise you not to use scissors as much as you can. Only when you're about to trim the line, that's when you should use the scissors. But I actually like the finished look. I love it. It's very different, very funky, and I saw this kind of style on Tierra Monet, so I was just like, let me try it out, and I absolutely love it. I should have tried this out a while ago, but I love it in this color. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe and comment down below so I can make more videos, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Your body Nagila, straight for my visa.
I know you guys have probably seen, you're probably like, we've seen this hair on you before. I know. This is also from my hair extensions line, and I made the wig myself as well. Take a bit in front, take a bit. If you show me your body, I will show you the money. Guys, remember, I don't want too much full fringe.
Oh yeah, take all the money, stop for the fun thing.
I want in front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a clip just to clip it together. And I'm gonna use my heat protector spray to just spray around this area, just so that it sits, because right now it's not sitting. You can see a bit of flyaways and stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my hot comb. I'm literally taking everything I don't want in front, moving it away from my face. So I move it to the back so that I don't get it mixed up with what I'm going to be cutting in front. No, I don't want the full fringe too short. I mean too short. Yeah, definitely too short. I don't want it too short, so I'm gonna start doing this. It's better to cut it longer than just cut it short automatically. So you can see this is pretty long, so I'm gonna cut it a bit shorter. Too fine, too fresh, no, I know you want play, and I sure never play you like JJ. Yeah, okay. Too fine, don't be smart, don't be ashy. Hey, boy, it's easier to do this on a mannequin's head than actually do this on your hair, on your head yourself. I'd just like to point that out there. Fresh. That's the tip for your kids, don't be chance me. If you love the like trailer, make it fresh. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna put it in 180 actually, so that I have more control. So guys, now I'm gonna do the half bun up, half bun down.
And you're loving this guy, babe. And you're smiling this love, babe. I can fight for your love, oh, die for your love, oh. Tell me to turn table. Yeah, yeah. Hello, you, Femi. Hello, you, Femi. But you to move me, boy. Hello, you, Femi. Yeah, yeah, go, go. I don't wanna. We go stay together. I forever. Titi la la la. Yeah, go, go. Baby, give me your love, give me your love, your love is got baby. Baby, give me your love, give me your love, your love is got baby. Give me your love, give me your love, your love is got baby. Baby, give me your love, give me your love, your love is got baby. Your love is got baby. Your love is got baby.
Okay, I'm gonna try and put it in a bun as well. And this is it. Voila guys, we're done. We're done. Hey,